Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and performance report for James in the Panhandle, Florida on this Cobra 29 LTD Classic. James, our good mutual friend Robert, approached me, said he wanted me to do up this radio for you. He said you've helped him a ton down there. He moved in with no friends locally, and you've been there every step of the way to help him and his projects, and he truly appreciates it. So James, here's your Cobra 29. We've widebanded the transmit and receive on it. Did a nice clean tune on it. It's got a HG 1969 final. Did our audio mods. Upgraded the electrolytic capacitors. Upgraded the power supply wires inside the radio because they went to like a 22 or 24 gauge wire on these new radios. It's not sufficient. Put you a dial-a-watt right here where you control your carrier, and also added the VFO mod. So let's get right to it. 5-watt slug basically turns down to nothing, rolls up to 5 watts. 50-watt slug, peak kit off. We'll call it 8 bird. Peak power. Hello. And 40 peak. James, I hope you enjoy this radio. It's clean and mean. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com, and also from the Watchmaker on the Panhandle of Florida. Watchmaker in the Springs, I thank you for allowing me to do this radio up, buddy. Bump, bump.